It's so expensive.
What is it?
I was looking for some solar panels, but the upfront costs are so expensive.
No companies offer no money down, monthly payment, TPA, and there's government help as well.
Wait, really?
Yep, and here's the reason why your customers don't know about this stuff.
So I put a question on Quora asking people why they hesitate to switch to renewable energy. And the answer is the most common one was a high upfront cost. Then, after a few days, I launched another question asking people if there were no high upfront cost, would they switch to renewables or not? And the answer was quite shocking. Not only they didn't agree with the high upfront cost because of all the financing options, and in some countries there are government help as well, but they were actually happy about the switch because they were making money out of it. If you are a solar panel installer, EV charger installer, and have a company in renewable energy, you might think they didn't do the research. But quite frankly, I reached out to some of people who answered the first question and asked them about if they did the research, what companies they talked to, and what was the resource that their knowledge came from. So if you have a company in renewable energy, first of all, welcome, this video is for you. And yeah, me and my team spent the last few weeks digging down into this topic and see what is actually the reason. So what me and my team did was to look for the companies people in the first question looked, and then look for the companies people in the second question looked at. And we found a really interesting reason. The common thing in all of the companies was that they actually mentioned about all the financing options, all the cost, all the benefits, all the money back, all how they can make money out of it. But there was something still missing. They told people about those options. They told people, the companies have told people about these options, but did they actually educated them? The answer, as I said, quite clear. Companies tell people about those financing options, what they do, the process, but they don't educate people on those options. You see, it's a different thing. Educating is giving the customer the experience of someone who already have all of the services, like solar on the roof, the charger in the garage, and they can feel that they already have it, even that they don't. So now the solution for that is, instead of telling people what they will experience, is telling them how they will experience it. And if you want to make a deeper connection, you can tell them why they're experiencing it. So you see, it wasn't that people in the first question wasn't aware. They was, but they weren't educated. A lot of people have already made a switch to renewable energy, as I said, but they are mostly early adopters, innovators, and have percent of early majority. Now it's our job to go the extra mile for the half early majority and the late majority, to take them and make them switch to renewable energy if we really want to take the world to a green future. Now, this topic on educating customers is an hour-long topic, so instead of creating an hour-long video, I just put together a playbook on how to educate the customers. You can find everything in there, everything is actionable, and that absolutely take no time. And if you really want to know more about educating customers, you can head out to our website and take your free copy. You can find the details in the description, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we make an impact in this world.